What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to convert my husband's shirt into a cord set which is very comfortable, and I'm wearing it right now, but I'm going to show you the whole set at the end of the video. So I have taken medium size because he wears a medium size, but if you have large or XL size, that will be better because medium size got a little short for me, but I managed it somehow. You will see in the video. So without further ado, let's start the tutorials. Here I have taken my husband's shirt, and first of all I'm marking the length I required plus the margin for fold and cutting it. Then marking half of my waist plus 2 inches for darts. I'm keeping the dart size same for the front and the back. Now mark the shoulders, armhole and the chest. Join all the lines and armhole in a curved shape. Same for the back. Always remember the front armhole is deeper than the back. And now mark the darts for front and the back. Adjust the armhole of the sleeves. If you want to keep the armhole bigger, you can do that and make the puff on the top of the sleeves. To start with the stitching, first of all, close all the darts and join the sides. I'm keeping my back darts longer. By doing that, I get a nicer fit. Fold the hem of the cropped shirt and attach the sleeves. This is ready and I will show you at the end how it is looking. Let's start with the shorts. These side curves are gonna be the sides of the shorts, and I will remove these button plackets. Now take any comfortable shorts or pajamas you have. I'm taking my night shorts and pressing it. But as you can see, the fabric is less for arsen area, or you can say crotch area, which I'm gonna fix it later by adding extra fabric. As of now, just stitch the center, leaving the bottom part for arsen or crotch, and fold the waist side to put through the elastic. It will look something like this. And I could not find enough fabric to put it at crotch area in a traditional way. So I have taken a rectangular piece and stitching it in the center. Once that is done, we'll give it a curve needed around the crotch area. That's it. The whole set is ready. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you understand what I did and how I did. If you were not able to understand anything, just comment down below. I will definitely reply you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram account as well, where you can see how I style this in multiple ways. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.